How to connect JOTFORM to MailerLite. First, go to JOTFORM and then just click on Create Form here to the top left. Then either start from scratch or just use a template. So I'll just use a template. Click on template. Then choose one of the templates here. Then just click on Use Template. Okay, now from here, you just need to edit your template however you want. And once you're done doing that, just click on Settings here at the top. And then click on Integrations here at the left. Now click on search bar and then type in MailerLite. Just click on MailerLite here. Now here you can just enter your API key here. So I'll just go to MailerLite first and then make our own API key. So just click on Integrations. Now from here, click on Use beside API. Now click on Generate New Token. Okay, now just type in your token name. I'll just type in test and then click toggle this checkbox here, then click on Create Token, then copy it, then go back to JOTFORM and then paste your token here, then click on Authenticate. Okay, now from here you just need to match your fields from MailerLite. Okay, I'll just match the email. You can add other fields as well, and then select the group and then just click on save, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.